BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 175 of season 3. Today's word is perusal. The meaning of perusal is the action of reading carefully, examining or studying something while paying attention to the details. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word perusal. Be assured that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Perusal is spelled as P-E-R-U-S-A-L. The word perusal is used when someone minutely studies a document or a process with an intention to completely understand the same or to spot any errors. For example, an agreement is usually signed after a proper perusal by both the parties. Listen carefully how we can use the word perusal in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. A careful perusal of the essays written by the students disappointed the teacher. She realized that the students lacked good vocabulary and ability to express their thoughts. Therefore, she planned a workshop for creative writing. Example number 2 of 8. Archana joined a chartered accountant's firm as a trainee. For the first 3 months, her seniors assigned her the task of perusal of their clients' balance sheets. After that, she was asked to make a summary of the financial statement for each client. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. A bunch of letters was brought to the museum as a historical document. The museum called upon experts for checking the documents. After thorough perusal of the same, the experts confirmed that the letters belonged to the period of King Ashoka. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. The automobile company decided to sign a long-term contract with the supplier of spare parts. The quality of parts and the pricing were both very crucial parameters for the company. Hence, the purchase department implemented multiple levels of perusal of the contract to ensure the best outcome from this collaboration. When Godrej, Tata Teleservices, Blue Star and Titan, more than 125 corporates have trusted us for training their employees, you can definitely trust us for improving your English proficiency skills. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Sujata applied for a visa for travel to a European country. Upon perusal of her documents, the officer pointed out that while some of her documents were on her maiden name, others were as per her married name. He therefore put her application on hold. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The patient was admitted to the hospital with a complaint of severe backache. The doctors advised certain scanning tests to be done on priority. After perusing the test reports, the doctors detected the presence of a kidney stone and started the treatment accordingly. Example number 7 of 8. The bank manager prepared a report of high-value money transactions in his branch for submission to the central bank. On perusal of the report, he noticed certain suspicious transactions and escalated the matter to his superiors. Let us understand example number 8 of 8. Mr. Zhang had mastered the art of handwriting analysis over a period of 30 years. The Crime Investigation Department used his services for perusal of handwriting of suspects to identify a pattern of crime. Wow, isn't this an innovative example? Today we learnt the word perusal, which means the action of reading carefully, examining or studying something while paying attention to the details. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with perusal and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 175 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.